Dear parents, you need to worry about the side effects of online teaching on your children. The first side effect of online teaching on your children is damaging of eyesight. As online classes and duration of online classes is increasing continuously, the screen time is increasing. This increase in screen time is increasing stress on the eyes of the children, which is damaging the retina of the eye. So you should be careful and you need to take precautions to overcome this problem. The second problem is increase of screen time is changing the sleeping patterns of the children. This is leading to sleeplessness, or it's also called as insomnia. So sleeplessness or changing in the sleeping pattern of the children is causing the loss of appetite. It's even some cases it's causing the gaining of the weight. So even the sleeplessness and insomnia is leading to the stress and depression in the children. So just increasing the screen time is damaging the eyes of the children, it's damaging the sleep of the children, and it's damaging the psychiatric mental health of the children. It's leading to depression, it's leading to anxiety, it's leading to sleeplessness, it's leading to loss of appetite. So if in growing children the sleeping patterns changes, then their growth will be affected. So the parents should take care about all these parameters before forcing your children in front of the screen for taking the online classes. So how to overcome these problems? Teachers and school management should focus on these things. See, we cannot avoid online classes because of this pandemic. Fine. So what can we do? Cut short the length of the class. Do not run it like a marathon. Cut short the class. Just continue the class for 15-20 minutes and give alternate breaks, equal breaks of the class, so that the child gets some time to relax. So that is very important point. Next thing, second suggestion is do not run pre-recorded videos, because there is no interaction in this. It's just one-way teaching. Let the class be like live session, one-on-one teaching. Let be the eye contact between the children and the teacher, and just explain the concept. Do not throw whatever thing you know in front of the student. See, the intention of the live classes or the online teaching is just to continue the studies, just to continue the education, right? So just try to give concept to the children so that you doesn't need to continue the class for hours together. Next important thing, very important thing, is the curriculum which we have is for the offline teaching. Do not force the same curriculum online. We need to develop a new curriculum for online teaching, so that the stress on the children, the stress on the teachers, and the stress on management get reduced. These are the certain instructions. And the last suggestion is give the chance to PT even in these online classes, and give certain breathing exercises to the children, give certain yoga classes to the children, so that they get relaxed, they get relieved from these stress and everything. See, ultimately this screen time, increase in screen time, even it's affecting the posture of the children. It's going to affect it's going to give lower back pain to the children and many other health issues. So try to overcome these things just by cutting short of the class. Thank you for watching this video. In IQ Academy, we will consider all these parameters and we will teach just concepts. Thank you for watching.